Jonathan, Alexandre, thank you very much for coming. I wanted to spend a bit of time looking back and then looking forward of where we might be going. Launching the old E-line in 2011, followed by Cameo in 2017, which took the market by storm. 2020, we launched the new E-line, the Enigma, followed by the Shotmaster. The question is this: what do we do next?
New machine, a new challenge, smaller machine.
With the same coffee quality, in-cup quality, modularity, small footprint.
Cool design.
Can we do that?
Yes, of course.
Can we maintain the in-cup quality? Can we maintain the milk texturing, the TDS?
It's our DNA, it's our knowledge, so yes, we can.
How do we do that?
We develop it.
Smaller footprint. What do you do with the boilers?
How we reduce the boiler size or we remove it.
Can we do more than 2 coffees?
Yeah.
We need to have a new architecture, but still to keep the DNA of our Eversys.
One of the things that would be nice to have is to be able to clean the milk system without an external container. Can
that would be
do
cool.
that?
Yeah. We have a good idea for that.
So if we can maintain the quality in the cup and we can maintain our functionality, question that remains is, can the machine still be cool?
It will be cool, of course. That's the challenge of design. We have very nice materials. We will still rely on metals.
But metals are important because it's all about sustainability now.
Yeah, it's easy to recycle also.
Durability.
How about electronics?
High quality electronics like we usually do, and with our full telemetry system, like all the range of machine, you will find the same functionality in all our machine range.
Yeah.
In design, do we go retro? Do we stay modern?
No, never go retro. Eversys, ever in the system, look forward.
Looking forward. So do you think this machine could be a great legacy for the founders that created the company?
Yeah, it's bringing together our past more than 10 years of Eversys.
So it's kind of looking back to the future.
Yeah. And Kamal, from your side, what do you see as current market trend?
I think it's a very good question. I think I need an espresso before I can answer that question. Why don't you join me? I think in the world of today, people want everything inside a smaller machine. So they want great coffee quality, they want great connectivity, they want absolutely everything inside a smaller chassis. Can we deliver that?
So Eversys coffee quality, modularity, sustainable material, or full telemetry system inside a compact machine.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Can you sell it?
I don't know. Can you make it cool?
It will be cool, for sure. I have no doubt about that.
But I think if you can make it cool and we can really represent the values of our company, the values that have made us what we are, if we can really go back into that future, there's no question that we can sell thousands of those worldwide.
So let's do it.
Cheers.
Let's go to work.
Welcome in the R&D workshop is where everybody come together to build our first product here. So behind me you have our next generation of machine, and with me you have Grégoire. Grégoire is a project leader for this development. So look, Grégoire, what we just received this week. We have all the aluminium part that just come in the workshop, and the team already assembled it. So you see, we have the main aluminium support. It's beautiful. Look at it. And here on this side, you can see the frame of the machine. So Grégoire and his team designed a frame in 4 injected aluminum parts. It means it's very strong. It's easy to integrate fixture on it.
We decided to do this X shape to open a maximum the machine and to be able to have a fully access on the production and also after on the field.
For us, it's like Christmas gift for engineer coming in our workshop. You can really see everybody coming around looking at the part, and then you can have a look at the machine inside and architecture. Here you can see it fully assembled. really how it will look like in a series product. It's still prototype part. How many grinders do you manage to build in the machine?
So we can have up to 4 grinders on the machine.
And then here on front you can choose between an additional grinder or a chocolate module. It's also something new to have the chocolate module directly integrated in this small machine.
And the front face is also customizable, so we can have a T outlet or a steam arm or 1.5 step.
Everything starts from the specification at the base that we wanted to have 4 grinders inside the same machine. You really start to design the inside architecture, find the right space to have the 4 grinders, to have all the elements, and then from the inside go outside to the design.
The goal was also to have 4 times the same grinder for the production, for the service also.
So really going inside out from the machine architecture then to the external design.
What is telemetry? It's basically connecting the machines to the cloud. You can monitor your machines. As you can see on the screen here, you can see the map with all your machines, and you can check how they are running, if everything is well. Then we do also have a dashboard, for example, the extraction, or very important, if the machines are cleaned correctly, and of course also the sales numbers. One of the big benefits of our telemetry solution is operational efficiency. From the beginning on, one of our main goals was to optimize the service. So to prevent breakdowns with early warnings, service can really be as optimized as possible. If you want to use fresh beans or even fresh milk, then you face the big challenge of refilling. And with eConnect, we provide everything you need to automate the logistics. So to refill the beans when they get empty, or to refill the milk, to organize the refilling of the cups, lids, or sugar. So at the end we can say, eConnect, your coffee solution to the future.
Welcome at Eversys Design. The approach that we have at Eversys is very simple. We design from inside out. What does it mean to design from inside out? It means that we start with the technical package of the machine. We start with the technical components and all the features that we need to make in the machine. And then we grow the machine around them. We also build from very preliminary stages cardboard mockups, which help to pre-visualize the stance of the machine, the architecture, and also the basic elements which are going to be used on the machine. Later on, we built some aesthetical models, which are helping the marketing department and also the product development team to visualize the machine in a way which is a little bit more realistic. Last but not least, sketching. We develop a lot of sketches, from ideation to illustrative levels by hand. And we also want to integrate at this stage a lot of the metals which are going to be used in the machine. We really believe at Eversys that metals are the best materials to be used for the construction of the machine. They can combine on the same part functionalities and aesthetical treatments. At the end, we can have a machine which is composed with less elements and which is more efficient, which is easier to assemble, and of course, which looks great.
Alex and Jonathan, we met a little while ago and we discussed the idea of creating the next generation of Eversys machines, and we issued a technical and a design challenge. And here we meet again and we're faced with the machine. Have we met, Jonathan, the technical challenge?
Yeah, we met. Everything we discuss is in the machine, and it was really a great journey and a technical adventure.
And the coffee quality?
Great as usual.
Okay, fantastic. And Alexandre, we talked about making the machine cool. Have you managed to do that?
I think so, yeah.
How?
We work a lot on the package, on the materials, on the colors. I think it's quite a very nice machine.
And what would our founders think of this? What would Jean-Paul, Robert, and the team that was there at the beginning feel about this machine? Would they be proud?
Yeah, they're really proud, and it's really putting together all their past experience in a new product. It's great.
Absolutely, yeah. So we'd be very proud.
So we all agree they would be very proud. I was thinking about a name, and I was thinking that if our founders would be proud, it's almost like a gift from the past to the future generation, and we call that a legacy. And I thought that would make a really good name for this machine, Légacy. What do you think?
Yes.
It's very appropriate, yes. Good name.
Then let's call it that.
Let's do that.
Légacy. Gentlemen, thank you very much.
Great job.